Hey guys, just a quickie here. I have an intake manifold here that I'm working on for a guy, and it's got a couple studs that I need pulled out. So we're gonna try out this stud puller that I got on Amazon. I'll be honest with you, I don't remember the brand on it, but I'll put it here in the description. What this does is you stick this on there and you see there's some teeth in there. And when you go stick this in reverse, those teeth will dig into these studs right here and you'll be able to back them out. Is that what size is it? Yeah, okay. Oh, well, that wasn't all that tight. Voila. All right, same thing on this one. Boy, these weren't too terribly tight, but you kind of get the idea. I used the same setup on my truck when I took the exhaust manifold bolts out, but oh, I think it might be on the run. I just got to keep the pressure on it. It feels like it's coming out. My goodness gracious. No welder needed or nothing. That's awesome. So anyway, here's this. It's just a nice little kit to have around for studs, especially when they're stuck. This here I probably could have got out with a couple nuts and then just backed it out, but oh well. Have yourselves a great day. Peace out.